This is a 7D Hifu skin rejuvenation machine with a bird-shaped case. It uses ultrasound energy to encourage the production of collagens, which result in firm skin in just a single session. The treatment is part of a growing trend for anti-aging procedures that provides a noticeable improvement in fine lines, wrinkles, and facial contouring. We got 3 working heads of 7 MHz for the face and 4 working heads of 3 MHz for the body. These 7 working heads can be fitted to either one of the handpieces. Use the heads according to the information showing on the display. So the higher wavelengths of Hifu, the deeper skin area it can reach to. So just choose the one you are going to do. It's pretty easy to use. Just click the pinch and length of the energy, mode of the energy. M1 is the 0.7 gel energy level, and M2 is the 1.0 gel energy level. If you need single shot modes or the repeat modes, just click here. And it tells you the number of used shots and the remaining total shots of the working heads. And you can see how much shots left from each of the working heads. We offer training videos, logo and color customization on this machine they're offering. So inbox me to get a free quote and be a business partner with us, Juice Beauty. Looking for a beauty instrument factory? Choose Juice Beauty with confidence.